SBA Publications.
Dear students, today we are going to start your new topic, that is from your chapter number 5. With me, Vinita Nautiyal, you are going to start your topic, comparisons. Okay, so let's start it with me. बच्चे, comparison, if I would like to explain you, is not a new word for you. In your maths book, from the beginning of the classes, means from nursery, prep and first, you are just doing the activity of comparisons. Okay, but today we are going to learn some new fact in the chapter. So let's study. Here it is with us. A tree is taller than a bush. If you will go with the picture, so basically they are just comparing two plants to each other. This one is the small plant and this one is the big plant. Clear? So in the same way, if you will see here, the scale is longer than the pencil. Clear? Scale pencil से long है. Okay, बड़ा है. And third one, the pillar is thicker than the lamppost. If you will see here, the pillar is thicker. Thicker means मोटा है. Okay, so the pillar is thicker than the lamppost. Now here we have fourth one. Pooja is 6-year-old. Neha is 8-year-old. So if you will see here, this is Pooja, okay, and she is Neha. So Pooja is basically older than Neha. Okay, this is the comparison word here, older. In fifth one, Reena's dress is more beautiful than Simi's dress. Reena की dress Simi की dress से more beautiful है. Okay. Now these sentences shows comparison between two things. ये जो sentences हैं, ये दो चीज़ों के बीच में comparison show कर रहे हैं. Okay. To show comparison between two things, we use ER, form of the word. जब हमें कंपैरिजन शो करना होता है तो हम वर्ब की फॉर्म के साथ में ER यूज करेंगे. ओके, और वी यूज मोर, कुछ और भी हैं डिग्रीज जो हम यूज करेंगे. वी ऑफन यूज देन ऑल्सो, हम देन भी यूज करते हैं. इफ यू विल सी इन द गिवन सेंटेंस अगेन, टॉलर देन, लॉन्गर देन, थिकर देन, older than and more beautiful than. Okay, so in next sentences we will comes to know with some new examples. Read the sentences to understand the comparison better. आइए sentences को read करते हैं comparison को अच्छे से समझने के लिए. Raman is short boy. रमन कैसा boy है? Short boy है. वीर इज शॉर्टर देन रमन. वीर जो है वो रमन से भी शॉर्टर है. परिधि इज द शॉर्टेस्ट अमंग ऑल, और परिधि इन सब में सबसे छोटी है, मतलब शॉर्टेस्ट. सो इफ यू विल गो हियर विद द सेंटेंसेस, सो शॉर्टर, सो शॉर्ट, शॉर्टर एंड शॉर्टेस्ट. डिग्री इज गोइंग टू बी चेंज्ड according to the situation. Okay, so basically this kind of comparison we use with the word. इसी तरह का comparison हम words के साथ changes करके use करते हैं. Okay, when comparison between two peoples or things is made, we use ER. जब comparison दो लोगों के या फिर दो चीज़ों के बीच में हो रहा होगा तो हम क्या use करेंगे? ER. We will use ER. When comparison between three or more than three peoples or things is made, we use EST. जब comparison तीन लोगों में या तीन चीज़ों में या उससे ज़्यादा में हो रहा होगा तो हम क्या यूज़ करेंगे? EST with the respective word of comparison. Okay? Here are E learnest, word to learn by heart. आपको यहाँ पर कुछ वर्ड्स दिए हुए हैं ER और ES को यूज करके, ठीक है, तो आपने उनको लर्न करना है. As I am telling you, big, bigger, biggest, tall, taller, tallest, simple, simpler, simplest, pretty, prettier, prettiest, heavy, heavier, heaviest, long, longer, longest, fast, faster, fastest. Clear? Now, in the same way here also, high, higher, highest, light, lighter, lightest, funny, funnier, funniest, easy, easier, easiest, cold, colder, coldest, lovely, lovelier, loveliest, warm, warmer, warmest. Okay? So these are the some words that we can use according to the situation. If we are doing the comparison of two people, we will use the ER. If we are doing the comparison more than three peoples or more than three things, so we will use EST. I hope the concept has been clear to you very well. So according to the same, you will use that. Now let's do it. A. Take the correct word in the bracket. आपको correct word पे tick करना है. The table is bigger, smaller than the stool. Now you have to go with the picture. Table is bigger or smaller? Bigger. So we will take on bigger. Clear? In the same way, you can also do rest of the part of this question very easily because this is not a difficult concept. Second one is fill in the blanks with a suitable word given in the box. One has been done for you here. The first one is I like the poem Jitin reads because it is the funniest. क्योंकि वो funniest थी इसलिए मुझे poem पसंद आई. Clear? Now in the same way you can solve rest of the part of this question. This is your revision questions that you have to do according to the concepts. Okay? And you have to do the practice of the words that you have learned today of degrees. Now, I'll meet you in your next class. Meanwhile, take care of yourself and keep on learning. Goodbye.